Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Narid and this is HyperPix. Welcome back to another casino text effect. Uh, like a hot and like killer text style for the gambling websites or concerts, online games, anything else related to this design. You can use it and rock this one. Okay, it's very easy to use, just like any other text effects of our products. I'm gonna show you how it works. Don't worry about that. You're not gonna believe how easy it is without any specialty and without any expertise in Photoshop. If you want to download this, all you gotta do is go to hyperpix.net now and get a premium account and grab this and hundreds of other text effects for your next projects. Okay, before anything else, I want to tell you that except for the English language, you can use it in any language. For example, I got this in Japanese. Just look at that. Look at that style, easy and beautiful. I think you agree, right? Let me show you how it works. For the change the first text, right click on the yellow layer and select Edit Content. And in a new window, do the same thing and right click and edit content. In the new window, double click on the text layer and write your own text. Write in capital letters. You don't need to change anything. You can change the variables, but I recommend you just leave it to be. Okay? Close it and select yes. You can see the curve already, right? Okay, close this window too and select yes. And wait for the result to happen. There it is. As you can see, my text has been applied to this 3D design. Let's go on the red layer, select Edit Content. In the new window, double click on the text layer and write your own text. Nice. Okay? Okay, from here, you can select Ctrl T or Command T in Mac. You can transform it and you can resize this circle so you can get your favorite, you get your ideal color. It's totally adjustable. Our designers have that in mind to do it like this. Okay, close it and select yes. As you can see, Poker Night. Did you see that? Very easy. I want to show you how these layers works so you can edit it by very details. Okay, for anything else, let's go to effects folder, open text 1 and text 2 and disable the both extrusions so you can get a better speed in the editing. Okay, let's start from the adjustment folder. There's a subtle effect on our text. We got another text layer here. You can write your own text. You can also disable it. We got a smoke folder. There's a subtle smoke on top of the design. We got elements folder that you can see. It's been categorized by left and right. We got cards here. Also got dice. We got casino chips and spades. And this is this card here. If you open each one of them, you can edit one by one. You can select Alt and click it, and you can get your own fire. You can edit it. Very easy to use. We also got sparks here, as you can see. And this design, you're very free to edit it. You can also turn it off, or you can position it wherever you want. Totally up to you and your taste. Okay, next one is sparkles. Okay, just like all of our products, we got these sparkly things. You can put it on the shiny edges of your text so you can get a reflective look. Well, I'm going to skip this part, but you can take your time, and if you don't want them, select it and remove it. Okay, that's the sparkles. We got glow folder. As you can see, these glows on top of our texts. Okay, you can put it between the characters and the background, and also on the top of the text. It can help your design to look better. You can also remove it. Totally up to you. Next folder is FX folder, which contains the structure of our design. We're going to skip this one. I recommend you just leave it to be. Okay. If you want to position it in the middle, you can select it and select Ctrl T and rotate it a little bit, because it contains a lot of layers. Your system might a little bit slow down. It's very normal. We got fire circle, as you can see, the back of the text, which is very attractive. It contains fire folder and also circle folder. And it contains a couple of layers. Finally, we got background folder, we got explosion, layer by layer, editable, and we got fire the background. It contains layers of fire. We also got glow and also got fire. Actually, we got particles of explosion here. As easy as you see, it is very detailed, but it's also very easy to use. Let's turn on the extrusions and wait for the 3D. There it is, beautiful and handsome. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like to download this text effect right now, go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account and download this. If you want to get our free products, go to hyperpix.net and /freebies and enjoy it. Please subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, and don't miss the new videos. Well, I hope you have a good day. I'll see you in the next video.